Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about sweet potatoes and growing them in a raised bed. So I've always grown sweet potatoes in the ground. This is the first year I've ever tried to do them in a raised bed. This bed that I put it in, I think it's 16 inches tall, 2 foot wide, and 9 foot long. So on sweet potatoes, they're a little different than regular red potatoes and stuff that we grow. On those, when the vines start to die back, it's time to harvest. On sweet potatoes, it's a little bit different. It's number of days to harvest. Now, the longer you leave them in the ground, they're going to keep getting bigger and bigger as they go. And depends on the variety of how many days to maturity it is. This in this bed is centennial, and it's 90 days to harvest. So they've been in the ground for probably 105, 106 days somewhere. I had to go back and look to see where I wrote it down. Beauregard that we grow down here in the south a lot too is 105 days to harvest. So we're in that window of harvest. So what we're going to do, I'm not going to harvest them all today. I'm just going to take one. I looked down and seen yesterday, I seen one that was at the top and had turned yellow. So I pulled it out, and then I reached in there and I pulled out a nice sized sweet potato. So I'm curious to see where they're at. So we're going to take this very first one and see how many sweet potatoes we can get off that one plant. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is cut these back from the plant here. It makes it easier to dig. Until we get to right here. Yep, I think growing them in a raised bed is the way to go. There's 6, 7, and I picked one yesterday. So that's 8 sweet potatoes off of one plant. Now, I like this size. These are fine. But these to me seems to be like those better. So that's not too bad off of one plant. And like I say, if I remember right, I think I put 10 in this bed. So if you average 8 sweet potatoes off 10 plants, that's 80 sweet potatoes out of this bed. And that's pretty good for just a small raised bed. Well, there you go, guys. Sweet potatoes in a raised bed. I'm a fan. That's the way I'll be growing them from now on. Nice size. The bed is 2 foot by 9 foot. So build your bed, raised bed, put your compost in it, grow your own food. These have turned out real well. It's kind of making me want to dig them all up, see how many I get, but I got some more stuff I got to get done before I dig these, because once you dig them, you got to do something with them and put them in storage, let them cure. But hope this video helps some people that's thinking about raised bed or wanting to grow your sweet potatoes. If you like what we're doing, leave us a comment and tell us what you want to see, and maybe we're doing something that you wanted to try. Maybe we can help you out. And hit that subscribe button and help us grow the channel. We'll see y'all next time.